As we grow, we know.
Here we go, guys. This is iHome Educate As We Grow We Know. Today we got the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, let us crack this open. So there's the box. Let's see what's inside. Remember the old days when you used to get a charger? You don't expect that anymore. Remember the old days when you used to get headphones? Those were the days, governor. Those were the days. But as you see, iHome Educates exposes that you actually just get this lead here. Cutbacks, whatever. Never ever deny that retro was the best days. And this is not even retro. I'm talking about in the last 5 years, they just cut out all the good accessories that will come free. You used to even sometimes get a phone cover for your phone. Can you believe that? You will never believe that. But those things did happen. Well, anyway, there's the Ultra. And where's your port? Here's the pen. Well, see, this is what you came here for. You came here to see this. And I show it to you. iHome Educate. We like to educate ourselves. But it's a pretty good model, you know. It's pretty cool in comparison. What I'll do for you is I'll get the old S24 and show you. So, I mean, in reality, as you see, it really depends on what you're going to use the phone for. Because this is an old S24. The size difference, it's not that bad, you know. And you can probably pick up one of these way more cheaper than what this is going for. This is nearly over £1,000. Okay, guys, that's not cheap. And we're not paid here at iHome Educate, so it's not a paid promotion. But I like to give you like some real advice in iHome Educate. And me personally, if you can pick up an S24, which is this model here, or the S26 Ultra, you might find this is more practical for you for filming in 8K, even 4K, 8K is all here. So these are the sort of things you need to consider when buying a phone. Don't just jump on the bandwagon and get a contract that's gonna set you back 2 years when you can just get a cheaper phone and be able to just change it. And I'll give you a little hack, guys. Always buy your phones 1 year after they came out. Be patient. Don't buy the phones when they first come out. Always get your phone 1 or 2 years later, because the specs now in terms of camera and refresh rates are all the same. They just look fancy. It comes with nothing in the box.
iHome Educate as we grow, we know.